Let's wire up this remote start-stop system from High Flow Systems onto this Honda clone engine. Essentially the same wiring as a GX160 and GX200. And with any electrical install, I'm going to start mine by removing the ground wire off of my battery. Now that I've disconnected my ground wire from the circuit, I'm safe to work on the rest of the system. Make it a little easier to identify. In the wiring harness provided, I'm going to go ahead and make my connection to this red wire. The red wire is my hot. I'm going to connect him here to my battery cable. The black wire in the harness, I want to make a ground with it. And the location I'm going to pick for me is right here behind this little bolt that holds the solenoid on. Now, you can connect it to the frame, to the engine, but you must connect it to a ground. The next easiest thing to identify is going to be this yellow wire. The connection made for that, for the kill circuit. That's usually easily found. It connects there, comes out of the side of the engine, usually to your oil alert. Leaving the white wire is the last connection I'm going to make from the wiring harness. It's going to connect to the black and white wire that comes off of your solenoid. Make that connection and tie that pigtail end back in. This time we can go ahead and reattach our battery and go ahead and flip the ignition on. Flip the switch on the side of the box, find your remote, and for the first activation, go ahead and hit both buttons for, it says, half a second. A turns it on, B turns it off.